Hello and welcome to my unboxing of the Viewsonic VX2758-2KP-MHD 27-inch 1440p IPS gaming monitor. So this is the front of the box, Viewsonic. It says see the difference. Here is the top. It says Viewsonic with the model. Quad HD LED backlit display. It's got some other stuff. As you can see, it's sealed on the top with tape, clear packing tape. And on the bottom, it's also sealed. And let's see on the side, it's got a bunch of specs on here. It says Quad HD LED backlit display, contents. It's gonna have a monitor, video cable, power cable, and a quick start guide. Let's see, made in China. Gross weight's 15.54 pounds. Net weight is 11.64 pounds. Display size is 27-inch viewable. So this part is the English section. And then we have it in different languages. So down here it says Viewsonic Corporation, 14035 Pipeline Avenue, Chino, California, 91710 USA. And then you see on the other side of the box, it has the UPC barcode of 7666907 003901, model number VS17882, made in China. It says May, looks like it was made in May 2nd, 2020, and shipped from Amazon, or shipped from Viewsonic Corporation to Amazon to me. So, without further ado, let us begin the unboxing. Got me a sharp knife to cut through the clear packing tape. I'm going to save the box because it has a, I believe, a 3-year warranty, and you need to ship it back. It's always nice to have the original packaging. So I'm even keeping the bigger box that this came in, which was an Amazon box. Let's see. So I bought this on June 24th, 2020 on Amazon for $297.17, brand new. So that's pretty much about what it sells for. The only thing is it becomes available about once or twice a month on Amazon, and it prices for about $300 or a few bucks under $300. So it's a really great deal. Let me tell you about some of its specs. It's 27-inch frameless, WQHD 1440p, 144 Hz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time. It's an IPS panel, gaming monitor with FreeSync Premium, eye care, HDMI and DisplayPort. So it is WLED. The resolution is 2560 by 1440 pixels. The horizontal and vertical viewing angles is 178 degrees, pretty much like everybody else. The brightness is 350 nits. Let's see, it's 1,000 to 1 or 80 million to 1. I forget what that's called. Let's see. The panel manufacturer is Innolux, INNOLUX, 16 to 9. It's got 108 pixels per inch or 42 pixels per centimeter. It's an anti-glare / matte 3H. Power, it uses 37, 43, and 49 watts, eco, average, and max. It's VESA compliant. It has built-in speakers, 2 of them at 2.5 watts apiece. It has blue light filter, flicker free, and AMD FreeSync. Comes with an HDMI cable. The monitor supports HDCP. It has a Kensington anti-theft stand lock. And the connectivity types is HDMI 1.4. There's also a HDMI 2.0, a DisplayPort 1.2. It has a 3.5mm audio out. And that's pretty much it. So, I'm going to cut the tape on this part too. Let's see if we can't get this guy ready for opening. Let's see. So excited. I just got this yesterday via UPS. And it was actually supposed to come the day before, but it got delayed a day. So yeah, I've had to wait. But I think it came pretty fast for non-prime. Come on. Alright. I am the first one to open this. So it's got this styrofoam packing. This came in an Amazon box that was bigger than this, but not much insulation around that. But anyway, it protects this box, I suppose. Ah. Oh. Yeah, it would have been nice if there was somebody else to help me out, but there we go. It's almost all out. Just have to be careful not to drop the whole thing, even though the UPS driver might have done it. Alright, so there's the box. Aluminum foil, the styrofoam. So there's the packing cable on top. There's also the HDMI, supposed to be 2.0 cable. User guide. Looks like part of the stand. Yeah, it looks that way. And this is the other part of the stand. Looks like it probably connects this way, I'm guessing. Take off this. Ooh. The panel is wrapped kind of like a Christmas packaging, soft material. Beautiful. So my original monitor that this is going to replace is a 24-inch Scepter. It's 1080p, and now this is 1440p, so it'll be quite an upgrade and perfect for work from home and also gaming. Oh wow, this is beautiful. It really is frameless. So the only part that has the frame is really just the bottom part. It says Viewsonic. I don't know if you can see this. Yeah, that's beautiful. So obviously I've got to put the base together. Oh. So here's the underneath. Let's see, there's the back of it. Wow. So here's the power connector, and let's see, we have a HDMI 1, HDMI 2, display port, and audio. It looks like a picture of a headphone. Here is the Kensington lock slot. Oh boy. So model number VS17882. Okay. Wow. Let's see if I can, what's that? Oh, there's some buttons here on the back. Must be for some manual adjustments. I'm guessing you use Windows to do most of the rest of the adjustments. But let me see if I can assemble this base right now. Hopefully it's so easy you don't even need the instructions. So it looks like here there is a screw, a toolless screw, and then, yep, so let's see, you got this. Looks like the holes perfectly line up. It's a shape like a parallelogram, and it lines up. Twist it. I can feel it pulling in. Okay, went all the way. Flip it this way, and like that. And then, oh, I just saw this. So remember these buttons I pointed out here in the back? It's got some symbols here. It's got a star, and yeah, the only thing I recognize is this power one on the bottom. Let me see. So it looks like it slides into this stand here. Let me see if I can demonstrate that. Get this back. This way maybe. Let's see. I can't make this thing. Aww. Oh wow. Snaps right into place. I think I read from the manual that this is not height adjustable. So if you want to adjust the height, you can mount it on a arm and put books underneath or whatnot. So that's the monitor right there, and in my next section of this video I'm going to hook it up and show you what it looks like with power. So before I show you the 27-inch Viewsonic monitor, I wanted to show you my original 24-inch monitor at 1080p. So here I have Mozilla Thunderbird on the right hand side, and then on top we have Mozilla Firefox, and then on the bottom we have Opera web browser. So hopefully it'll be dramatic once I plug in the new monitor and show it to you. So we'll be right back. Okay, now it's time for the first time powering on this monitor. 27-inch Viewsonic. Let's see. Power. I think this switch in the back. Okay. Wow, that is pretty. Can you guys see that? It was the Viewsonic splash screen logo. Hopefully I can wake up my computer now and can see something. Uh-oh. No signal. Come on. What do I gotta do? Press enter. Let's see, plugged it in on both, gave it power. Let me see, figure something out. Okay, we're back. So apparently I had to plug it into HDMI 2 on the back of the monitor instead of HDMI 1. And now it says right here, for best picture quality, change resolution to 2560 by 1440. Because yeah, this by default I think stuck to the original 1080p of the computer. So I just right click on the desktop, hit display settings, and let's see, display resolution, go all the way up to 2560 by 1440. And it says Windows asking if you want to keep these display settings, so keep it. Wow, that looks a lot better. Okay, let's do advanced display settings. So it's already maxing out to 144 Hertz refresh rate. And now look at the difference. So now this is Mozilla Thunderbird. This is Firefox, and this is Opera web browser. And so now when I rearrange things, I can see a lot more on the screen because it's no longer 1080p, it's gone up to 1440p. And now I can make things a little bit bigger. And, oh man, this is great. I don't think I can go back to 1080p anymore. Let's look at that. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I can see a lot more stuff now. This is great. Oh my goodness. Okay, so that's pretty much it for my video. So in conclusion, I highly recommend this monitor. I don't think it has any weaknesses spec-wise. So yeah, it's a gaming monitor, 144 Hertz refresh rate, 1 millisecond response time, IPS. Yeah, I don't think it has any weaknesses spec-wise. So please like this video and subscribe to my channel, and thanks very much for watching.